All right, guys, check it out. This is the Champion Blade, a collaborative work between myself here at Barrett Knives and Northern Knives up in Anchorage, Alaska. They helped me put this together because it's part of a very special project that's coming up soon. I can't quite tell you all about it just yet, but very soon I can, and these will be available for sale. 52-100 steel, micarta scales, a nice molded leather sheath with an amazing fit. I'm super excited about this. I couldn't be happier with it. It looks awesome. I'm absolutely pleased with it. So make sure you follow Northern Knives and make sure you stay tuned so you can pick up one of these for yourself very soon.